In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save tab groups to your bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, and Vivaldi. If you're someone who works with a lot of tabs and likes to stay organized, this feature is an absolute game changer. Instead of reopening the same tabs over and over again, you can save entire tab groups and access them instantly from your bookmarks bar. It's fast, clean, and super efficient. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and powerful browser tips. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to create a tab group. Open multiple tabs that you want to group together. Then right-click on any tab and select Add Tab to New Group. Give your group a name and choose a color if you want. Now you can drag other tabs into this group to organize them exactly how you like. This works similarly across Chrome, Edge, Brave, Opera, and Vivaldi. Since they are all Chromium-based browsers, once your tab group is ready, the next step is to make sure your bookmarks bar is visible. If you don't already see it, right-click near the top of your browser and enable Show Bookmarks Bar. This is important because your saved tab groups will appear there. Now here's the key step. Right-click directly on your bookmarks bar. In the menu that appears, look for an option that says Show Tab Groups. Click on it to enable this feature. As soon as you turn this on, your tab groups can now be saved and accessed from the bookmarks bar. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Click on the three dots menu in the top right corner of your browser. From there, navigate to the tab group settings. Depending on your browser, this may be under More Tools or a similar section. Look for an option labeled Pin Tab Group to Bookmarks Bar and enable it. Once you do this, your tab group will instantly appear on the bookmarks bar for quick access. Now, anytime you click that Save Tab Group, all the tabs inside it will reopen exactly as you saved them. This makes it perfect for workflows, research sessions, or even separating work and personal browsing, and that's it. You've now learned how to save tab groups to your bookmarks bar across all major Chromium browsers. It's a small feature, but it can seriously boost your productivity and keep your browsing organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.